Hello and welcome to the video by TrumpExcel. I'm Sumit Bansal, and in this video I will show you how to add an index column in Power Query. So here I have the sales data, and let me first open this data in Power Query. So I would go to the data tab and click on from table range. And when I do that, it opens the query editor, and here I have my data. Now what I want to do is insert an index column that starts from 1 and it gets incremented by 1 as I go down the column. So to do that, I can simply come to the add column tab here, and I have three options here. In index column, if I click on this, I have these three options. I can start the column with 0 and it gets incremented by 1 as we go down the column. I can start the column from 1 onwards and then it gets incremented by 1 as we go down. Or I can use the custom option where I can specify the starting number and the increment number. So if I click on from 0, see what happens? It inserts an index column and it starts from 0. So you can see there is a step added here, which is added index, and these are the numbers which starts from 0 and it increments by 1 as we go down. If I come here and I insert from 1, then it inserts another column here, and this time the numbering starts from 1 onward. So if you want a serial number, maybe this is what you want, so that you can bring and drag and bring this at the beginning. So you have a serial number in this case. Let me delete the reordered column step. And let me also show you the custom option. So if I click on custom here, then it'll ask me what's the starting index that you want. So if I want this indexing or this number to start from 10, then I type 10 here. And if I want this to get incremented, let's say by 5, then I type 5 here. And now when I click OK, it again inserts a column that starts from 10 and then it goes on by incrementing these numbers by 5 as we go down the column. So this is how you can insert these serial numbers or the index column. And now let me show you a way of using this. So a practical way where this could be useful. So let's say I insert an index column that starts from 1, and what I want to do is I want to get rid of every third row. Now to do that, I have the index numbers here, but I can't use this column as of now because there is no way for me to filter it or remove every third row. But what I can do is I'll go to the add column tab here, and here within from numbers, I have this option standard. And when I click on it, I have this option Modulo. What Modulo does is it works like the mod function in Excel. It would take the value and it would give you the value when it is divided by something. So it will give you the remainder when you divide a value by something. So for example, let me first show you how it works. Let me click on Modulo, and what it's asking me a number. And if I type 3 here, then it will divide 1 by 3. Since the remainder is 1, I'll get 1. It'll divide 2 by 3. Since the remainder is 2, I'll get 2. And it divides 3 by 3 and the remainder is 0, so I get 0. So for every third row, I'm going to get 0 as the remainder. And I can use that to remove every third row. See what happens when I click OK? It adds a new column with the name inserted modulo, and you can see every third column here is 0. So now if I want to get rid of every third column, I simply come here and I uncheck everything else. I check everything else except this one, which is 0. And now when I click OK, instantly I only have the first and second rows, but the third rows or every third row is gone. So this is one of the use cases where you can use the index number column. There could be many different, and it's a useful feature to have. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.